Every electric vehicle battery begins deep within the Earth's hidden mineral reserves. Raw lithium travels through engineered arteries before reaching industrial refinement systems. Industrial extraction depends on relentless pressure, motion, and precision. Massive quantities of earth must move to uncover the metals powering modern mobility. Before refinement begins, raw ore enters the first stage of industrial breakdown.
Raw minerals are broken down into manageable material for chemical refinement. Industrial separation systems isolate valuable components from raw, extracted earth.
Purity begins with controlled cleaning inside high-volume industrial systems.
Moisture is removed to stabilize the materials for precision processing. Industrial refinement transforms stone into microscopic conductive material. Exact chemical balance determines the future performance of every battery cell.
Industrial filtration removes impurities before precision material engineering begins. Controlled thermal systems stabilize battery-grade materials for manufacturing.
Every refined material is cataloged before entering the manufacturing chain.
Refined battery materials now begin their journey toward large-scale production.
Global battery production depends on continuous industrial logistics.
The extracted materials now approach the heart of modern manufacturing.
From raw earth to engineered energy, the factory transformation is about to begin.